job. Good job, mashallah. Mashallah. Automatic toll gate, I see. Wow. This is beautiful. They are refusing that people should not pass on the new road. We had to use connection. So we have used our connection to pass. Improve. They have improved. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's go and check the improvements in the Douala road or on Douala road. Let's go and see what's going on. Welcome to Sunday afternoon. Drive small. I don't want to speed. Fast. Happy are those who go to church. That's rich people's area. This one is poor people's area. This other side is rich people's area. And then I feel like if you sell land, then somebody come and build like a big house. The next person will also want to build a big house. And then now the price is going to change. Shina Bilingual College. On the way to Douala Road. Hip hip hip. New Douala Road. Improved. Oh my god, what am I saying? They have improved.
Wow, I hope I have the other video to show the difference. They have improved. What am I saying?
So this is the new Douala road. See the roundabout? I think that road is leading to the airport. That's what that guy said the last time, right? Now this is the Douala road.
Let's go there first.
So this one is leading to the airport. This is the end. They have to continue this one, I see. OMG. So we are turning here. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Swear, they now have a tar road. I'm sure they will be so happy. Land now will be a different level. The price. Look at this roundabout. This is new. Wow, I'm sure they are going to fix this roundabout very well. So now they are still walking on the road. So you have to pass around. Let me show you the road that you have to pass. Because you can use the new road. Or you see all the cars, they are coming from Douala. And some are going to Douala. So this is where you have to pass. Fast forward. Oh my God, bus is going to get you. The glass. I'm sorry, I can't go on this dust. You guys need to fix the road very fast. I'm too soft to go on this dust. Are they going to really like fix this road or they'll just leave it like this? I know, right? So the Douala road is on my left. That's it. They are still working on it. Still working on it. But you have a bigger car. We are in a small toy car. They are so slow. All these vehicles are from Douala. Douala. Now people will travel more because the road is good and divided. VIP 20,000. 4 hours. Cameroon. There's no money, but everything is expensive. You need to go and check that hotel. The hotel that I've been in Obili. 50,000 cheapest. You're not seeing the hotel, it's 50,000 cheapest one. We are going to a village, only dust. See, these cars are from Douala. It's like people traveling to the village here. And I see no houses around here. Empty. Very soon people will start building. Because of the road. We have Chinese company. Man, OMG. I'm not even seeing what I'm feeling. I'm not even seeing anything because of the sun reflection. The sun is reflecting. making mistake and going straight. Are you safe? Don't go and tell them to turn. Oh God, people are traveling to Douala. Man, wow, this is beautiful. Oh my God, that's they call it what, toll gate.
Yes.
Goodness, I love my country. This is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. Congratulations. Automatic toll gate, I see. Wow. I am so impressed, you guys. Good job. Good job. Good job, mashallah. Mashallah. Wallahi, these people have done it. Inshallah, this is going to start functioning soon. See, they are working. They are working. You want us to turn from here?
This will change. See, it's the same thing we.
Yeah, I know. Should we turn?
We go to where this first branch.
Okay. New Douala Road 123. OMG. You see? So the other side also is there. So there is no turning back. We have to go before turning. It was very far. I did not see. I only saw, but just the thing was just really far. The thing is that the way they are speeding it.
When you are supposed to speed, it's not. It's highway.
Massa is highway better, Massa. So as if they are flying. So it is how they are going to be speeding there. You say there will be no accidents. So we are on the other side. Last time there was absolutely nothing there. Absolutely nothing there.
The other guy has gone. He doesn't want to go.
So they are refusing that people should not pass on the new road. So MK wants to use her connection to pass on the new road.
It's going for. You understand now?
So we have used our connection to pass. You see, that man was also standing and waiting. This bike man just came and passed it. So we used our connection. Oh, they have allowed this other car also.
Wait, automatic cops.
And then they were refusing that they should not pass. These people are really crazy. So if you do not have that thing to show, hey, connection is good though. You need connection in this country, huh? You don't have connection, you're finished. And so we have, I don't want to expose it, but we have something that we can use to enter places. So any government something like this, we can use the connection to enter. sure that people, they are going to be like, how come they allow these people to pass with this their small funny car? And they saw us filming, they did not say anything. I'm sure maybe as we have that connection now, they just said, maybe they have sent these people to come and investigate what is happening or how they are doing the work. And that is the end. That is the end. Now we are heading to Yaoundé. Thank you so much. So let me know what you think about the new route. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye.